Will American Family Insurance cover a salvage title vehicle? American Family Insurance may provide coverage for vehicles with a salvage title, but it depends on specific conditions. Typically, once a car is declared a total loss and given a salvage title, it must be repaired and pass a state inspection to be classified as a rebuilt title before most insurers will cover it. First, inspection and approval process. Before offering insurance coverage, American Family Insurance may require a state inspection to confirm the vehicle is roadworthy. Photographs or documentation proving necessary repairs have been completed. Verification that the title has been rebranded as rebuilt or reconstructed, as most insurers do not cover vehicles still labeled as salvage. 2. Types of coverage available. Liability coverage. American Family Insurance may offer liability-only insurance for a rebuilt title vehicle. This covers damage caused to other people and property, but does not cover damage to your own vehicle. Comprehensive and collision coverage. Obtaining full coverage, comprehensive and collision, is difficult for salvage or rebuilt title cars. Since the vehicle has a history of severe damage, its value is harder to assess, and some insurers may refuse coverage. 3. State regulations may affect coverage. Different states have different laws regarding salvage and rebuilt title vehicles. Some states require additional inspections or certifications before insurers approve coverage. It's always best to check with an American Family Insurance agent to confirm available options in your state. 4. Higher insurance costs and limited payouts. Insuring a rebuilt vehicle may come with higher premiums due to the risk of hidden damages. If the vehicle is involved in another accident, the insurance payout may be lower than expected because rebuilt title vehicles have reduced market value. 5. How to get coverage for a salvage or rebuilt title. Ensure the vehicle is fully repaired and passes all necessary state inspections. Get a rebuilt title instead of a salvage title. Contact American Family Insurance to inquire about available policies for your specific situation. Consider comparing with other insurers if full coverage is required. While American Family Insurance may cover a rebuilt title vehicle with liability insurance, comprehensive and collision coverage can be challenging to obtain. It's important to confirm state-specific policies and speak with an agent to explore the best insurance options for your situation. Would you like to see how much you can save by switching to American Family Insurance today? Click on the link in the description below.